Last time we discussed the functions of the x and y axis. Today we'll explore two even smarter axes, the r and z axis.
The z-axis is essentially the left-right movement axis for the package. When a workpiece has multiple parallel mending lengths, the z-axis allows the package fingers to quickly switch between left and right position, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and juggling efficiency. What about the r-axis? It's the packager's lifting axis. When handling certain products, the r-axis can raise and lower the package fingers to align with the workpiece, allowing for the bend to proceed. This allows for more efficient bending while improving operator safety.
So the z-axis moves left and right, and the r-axis moves up and down. Working together with the x and the y-axis, they enable truly intelligent and efficient bending. Follow me and the shipment problems will be easy.